From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at natural gas markets, and as you can see, we have rallied during the trading session. Still in this huge barrier here that does not make me happy to go long. Typically, I would be about buying the breakout, but I can see where we have had a lot of trouble. The question is whether or not we stop focusing on Europe and start focusing on the United States. Clearly, a peace agreement between the Russians and the Ukrainians would have a massive impact. If we break down below this swing low, I'm willing to put a position on and start shorting towards 5. The upside for me, I just don't think is worth the chase at this point. A lot of this is being influenced by uh, inflation, the Ukrainian situation, and etc. Because, quite frankly, this is a U.S. contract. Quite frankly, there is no shortage of nat gas in the United States, not even close. So eventually, once we stop focusing on Europe and the possibility they might buy U.S. gas, which remains to be seen, we're talking years down the road, then eventually we will return to historical norms. This area here, I think, I mean, it could be broken through. Anything is possible, but chasing this just to play nat gas doesn't really make a whole lot of sense. There's plenty of other markets out there. For example, if you want to trade energy to the upside, you have a much more clear shot in oil than you do nat gas at the moment. So just keep that in mind. I am aiming for a swing trade, couple tenth of a percent losses along the way, had a small victory. But that's how these things go. And then eventually you swing. You're talking a 10% gain, something like that. So it takes a lot of patience. If that's not for you, then this is probably not going to be the market for you.